Hopefully the fan isn't too loud. It's 11 o'clock. I hate that I slept in so much. I don't like sleeping in so much, but I've been so sleep deprived since last weekend. I really needed to catch up on sleep. There's a lot of things we need to do today. One, there is supposed to be a snowstorm coming this weekend, so we need to get some groceries. I have some work to do for work. I have some New Year's planning and things like that I want to do. Financial planning and goal setting. And just a bunch I want to do today. So, to get up like right now. I have to get up right now. This is why I hate waking up late. I feel like half the day is done already, but whatever. Let's get up and let's make the most of today. Okay, update. It is almost 12, but I woke up with anxiety, so I asked my friend, one of my best friends, if she was free to FaceTime this weekend, and she was actually free like right now. So she called me and we talked, and yeah, we just had a really good conversation about like our goals and the future and all this stuff that we want to do. And I feel a lot better now, so now we can get up and start the day. Let's go.
Simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one. Too many problems, I'm already lost, yeah. My baby, I miss you too many nights. I miss your colorful lights. I think I love you too much. I miss your blueberry eyes. Fine. I play the memories over. Just tell me my mind. I'm trying to keep it in sober. Oh, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one. I keep stepping off all times I'm loving over. I keep wanting you too long. I keep tripping on myself, thinking you're my lover. I've been way too long. Honestly, baby, I can't tell you why we can't be standing by each other's side. I wanna know my true feelings inside. Give me some time. Oh, we'll bring it in a simple minds.
Okay, I want to do a little fit check. Oh, it's not really a good camera placement, but outfit for the day are these black like flare leggings from Aeropostale. They have like this over detail, then this black tank top from Garage, and this very sheer Henley from Skims. I love this detail. That's the outfit for today. Very basic. Can't even see the full thing. But yeah, I've been wearing all black a lot lately. Keeps it very simple. My hair is quite the situation. One of my goals is that I want to like get ready every day, including for work, because my first few days at my new job, I did get ready. I would do my makeup, I would do my hair. And then obviously I would just wear scrubs. But after maybe the first 2 weeks, I was like, there's no point in doing my makeup. I work in a dermatology clinic for one thing, and I don't like wearing makeup all day, every day anyways. I felt like my skin needed to breathe. And two, I'd rather be bare, like allow my skin to breathe and look good barefaced. But then my hair, I stopped doing my hair. I want to start doing my hair. Should I do it today? It's kind of, I need to prioritize though, because I think it's like 1 p.m. Yeah, so it's 12:59. I don't know if it makes sense to like do my hair because I'm not doing anything crazy today. Today is very much a reset, reflect, plan, goals, that kind of stuff day. So I think I'll just put my hair up. Just do like a little updo. Nothing crazy. Okay, this is the outfit and the hair for today. So I'll see you later.
Simple, simple, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different, different, different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one. Too many problems, I'm already lost, yeah. My baby, I do. I miss you too many nights. I miss your colorful lights. I think I love you too much. I miss your blueberry eyes. Fine, fine. I play the memories over, over, over. Just
Yeah. Just came back from ShopRite. I want to put the groceries away, but I'm so cold. Like, I just need to snuggle up for a second. I'm so cold. I'm wearing socks. I'm wearing technically 2 layers, like a tank top, this, pants. I'm wearing socks. In the ShopRite, I was feeling, if anything, overheated, kind of slightly lightheaded. I felt a little nauseous, like what's going on? And I'm at home and I'm cold. I don't know what's going on, but I'm just gonna like warm up for a second and then I'm gonna go put away the groceries. So yeah. Okay. So, oh my god. Oh, I snuggled up on the couch because I was just so cold. Ironically, now I'm going outside. My mom made us some lunch, so sweet of her. We ate, watched some Modern Family. Modern Family is so funny. Like, I think it's the only show that's ever made me laugh. Like, when I'm watching Modern Family, I'm literally laughing every 5 minutes, and my laughter just continues. Like, I just can't stop laughing. It's so funny. But yeah. And I was really, really debating on whether I actually wanted to like leave the house or not because it's so cold. But I really, as I said, I wanted to do a lot of reflecting on goals and like goal planning and just really, really starting a reset. I just definitely was not gonna do that at home because I'm so tired. Like, I'm so sleepy and yawning. So if I were to go upstairs to my room or something and sit on my bed, I would just probably fall asleep. Like, I feel a yawn coming up right now. So we're gonna go to Starbucks. And I look like a little boy. Like, I don't know. Don't look cute. Didn't really get ready today, but it's fine. It's fine. We're gonna go to Starbucks. We're gonna get a little iced coffee. Probably my regular vanilla sweet cream cold brew. I'm sorry. I just hate how I look right now.
Okay, I also want to make, in addition to goals and whatnot, I want to make sort of a little glow up plan, because I feel like I need to start getting ready again. Like, I don't do my hair unless I'm really like going out. I don't do my makeup, which makeup is like my least concern, because on the daily. Okay, wait, maybe let me start driving to Starbucks and I'll keep talking. But okay. No. Okay, anyways, I'm so thirsty. My brother got me this new water bottle for my birthday, and I'm actually obsessed. I've never been one of those people that's like, I need to have the latest trending water bottle. Anyways, my car makes the most like ugly sound when it goes into reverse. Or actually, it's like whenever the car locks. That's the sound of all the locks locking. Yeah, so in addition to personal, professional, whatever life goals, I to plan kind of my glow up and just getting back into my discipline. I don't know how to describe it, but I used to be really consistent with the gym. I used to, you know, get ready more often. Maybe it's just like ever since I came home from college. I don't know, when you're at school, you have more incentive, I guess, or more of a drive to like look good and look, like, you know, put together and do your hair and whatever. I don't know, like, especially in the last year, I stopped doing my hair so much, partially because I didn't want to damage my hair anymore. I don't do my makeup very often, and it just makes you feel good, you know, like, okay, forget how good you'll look when you, forget how, you know, forget the physical appearance factor of it. You just feel so good when you work out, and yeah, part of it is because like you start to see the difference, and that makes you feel good. But just something about moving your body and putting in that energy. I don't know how to say. My brain's just like not working. But I saw this like quote, or someone said this in a TikTok or maybe on Pinterest or something, and they were just like, you're never gonna regret working out, honestly, unless you know you were really feeling sick and you went anyways, and then you felt worse. Obviously, like, don't do that to yourself. But in terms of maybe feeling like lazy or tired or something, like, you're really never gonna regret going to the gym, because you're gonna feel, even if you're tired afterwards, you're gonna feel proud of yourself for going. You're gonna be like, oh, that was a good workout. Or maybe it wasn't a good workout, maybe you were a bit like sleepy, but at least you did it. And I feel like that discipline feels good. So yeah, that's what I'm kind of telling myself, and that's like where I want to be again. And also, it's just when you're working so much, I don't know, I had my transition period, yes, but I need to get back into doing those hobbies outside of work, because otherwise it's like, I don't want my life to just feel like work right now, you know? So yeah, I feel like that was, I don't know if that made any sense. I don't know if that was like all over the place, but yeah. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully that's realistic. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Like, I'm just tired of feeling this way, you know? I'm just tired of feeling like, oh, I didn't go to the gym again. Oh, I'm like so tired, I didn't get to go to the gym. Like at this point, it does feel like, I know, like, I'm like, that's an excuse. Like, girl, you're giving yourself excuses. Where there's a will, there's a way. All right, and maybe, honestly, maybe I need to start waking up early. Maybe I need to start waking up at like 4 a.m. Okay, we made it. It was so stressful, guys. Such a small little intersection that I was in, but it's okay. It's okay. All right, we made it. So let's go inside. Oh my God. Alright, so I kind of forgot to vlog a lot of the rest of the day, of course. So I'm just gonna do a little debrief of the day while I do my skincare for the night. So yeah. Guys, like, the blackheads on my nose were really, really bad just a few weeks ago, because I haven't had an active, you know, ingredient in my skincare routine for a little while, or at least like on my nose, and my blackheads were getting really bad. And I just remembered
about this product that I used to use. So I ran to the store and got some. I've been using it just a few times a week, literally 2 to 3 times a week for the last maybe 3 weeks or whatever. And I feel like there's already such a big difference. I'm very happy. So if you have any blackheads, recommend that. But I don't know if I want to do the salicylic acid tonight or if I want to do some retinol tonight. I'm done retinol since last week, so I'm thinking let's do the retinol today. Yeah, let's do the retinol today. I mean, retinol will help with the blackheads anyways, so. Okay, so yeah, with any retinol, you just want to take a pea-sized amount, little pea size, and just distributing that everywhere. Oh, this is sliding off my head. Ow. I think I need a new hair clip. Ow. Because this one, lately, I feel like it's literally like pulling some hairs. I feel like one of my problems when I was younger is that I probably put way too much of like skincare products on. Now that I'm older, I understand that a little really goes a long way. I try to avoid the corners of my mouth and like the corners of my nose with the retinol. So I'm just like rubbing it on top. It can feel a little hard to like rub in. It doesn't even feel like you're rubbing anything in because it's such a small amount, but that's what I hear all the providers at work. And then basically I'm just gonna put on moisturizer. I've been using this one for maybe 2 years now. Oh wait, I was supposed to debrief my day while I did this. Sorry. So yeah, earlier today my phone died while I was at Starbucks, so I couldn't really vlog while I was there. It's kind of a good thing because not that I was feeling distracted or tempted to go on my phone, but even if I was, I didn't have the choice or the option to. And basically I just like reflected on my life goals today, which sounds so dramatic, but that's literally what I did. Oh, I have this ugly thing right there too. Oh my gosh. So I did a lot of like reflecting on my life goals, what I want my life to look like, the things that I want to accomplish, etc., just a whole bunch of stuff, which was honestly overwhelming at first to do. Honestly, by the end of it, I was in the zone. I felt a lot of clarity by the end of that, and very motivated, very inspired, a lot more in touch with myself, and I feel good. So yeah, you know, being in my 20s, like I feel so cliche, like saying like, oh, in my 20s, like I'm in my 20s and it's such a difficult time. It is. I'm starting to really feel in touch with what it is that I want for myself, for my life. Honestly, some of these goals are very delusional, but I'm just gonna believe that I can do it, honestly, and we'll see what happens, I guess. So I don't know if you've been kind of feeling this way, just feeling a bit lost, feeling you're not sure what is right for you, you're not sure what you want versus what maybe other people want for you. I don't know, we're in this together. I don't know if any of this made sense. There's a good chance that it didn't. And also, yeah, sorry today wasn't really a very good vlog. Honestly, I didn't do much besides that, and then of course by that point my phone died. But yeah, that's what I did. But anyways, okay, I'm gonna go brush my teeth and then I'm gonna just go to bed. And yeah, good night.
Simple, simple, simple minds.